Hello, this is Victor at RestoringMercedes.com, and this video is for Lars in Sweden. And here we have two throttle bodies for 600 SEL. I believe it's a 93 model, and I finally got both done. And the passenger side was something else. I mean, it was very difficult to fix, but it is repaired now. I had to replace parts inside potentiometer, but to get to it, you gotta disassemble the whole thing. The big spring, there's a lot of tension on it, very difficult to put back together. So as you can see, now they're energized. They've been energized like this for quite a long time now. I would say about 5 hours or so. Yeah, about 5 hours maybe. And I'll show you the temperatures so you can see that the throttle body temperatures here. Let's see, the hottest area we're gonna catch up somewhere around, you can see 90 something, 90 and change, 97, 95, 94. This one is I can get it even, well, depends on the area. See, it's 106 over here, so we should get around that temperature on this one, in the same area, the laser pointer. About, as you can see, 102. So they're hot. Okay, they've been running. As the cold throttle body temperature, as you can see, 67. This one is just hasn't been on yet, hasn't been energized. But these had been working for a long time, and no problems with shutting down while hot. Readings. Let's shut down. Okay, the readings. Now the readings are equal. The top potentiometers, those have to be exact, and both throttle bodies show exact readings on top. Bottom ones will not be exact. So let's open them. Just open them fully. Readings will change. See, 1.99 top and bottom, and no more issues with throttle bodies shutting down, hot or cold. I can remove my little actuator. I made the right one a little quieter. Sometimes it still makes the noise because of metal gears and the design of the motor. And this motor actually is more worn than this one because there was some problems with gears and it was working hard. But the brushes look good. I opened it up, double checked internals, all look good, so that's a good thing. And as we can see, readings, let's say we go halfway, and readings for top potentiometers, R2s, R2, so 350, 350. So both units, both potentiometers track equally, so that's what you need. If they don't, then you have limp mode, so one of the throttles would shut down. So we see 433, 4.33, very nice. So that is very important. And idle 454, waiting for the top one, 4.54. So we're pretty nice on this department. So, and that's basically all. I mean, they are working, they're ready to go. The wiring looms, extremely rare case if the wiring loom would ever fail, but I still sort of bent them around and, you know, double checked them. I can't do for too much bending close to connectors because I have to make adapters to activate these units on my bench, because I only have connections for these throttles, and these are the newer ones, 94, 95, and these are 93s. So 93s, obviously they're different connectors, as you can see, the large ones. So I had to make adapters to make them activate on my bench. But as you can see, that's basically all. Again, sometimes you would hear it make a noise, sometimes you don't, but again, they all will make noises. Unfortunately, it's just the way they're designed, because in later style throttle bodies, motors along with gears were redone, and they don't really make any noises. They're super quiet comparing to 92, 93 models, and 93 models in 600 SLs. Those are older style throttle body, but newer style connector, as this is a 94 model, 95, you see smaller cases, so different style. Anyway, so this is basically it. I mean, units work, they've been energized for a long time, and I'm very confident that this is complete working set of throttles and basically ready to be mailed back to a customer. I'm gonna let it be on my bench like this for whenever I need space on the bench for other throttles. So that basically will confirm hot working conditions, as hot as I can get them. But this is basically all. Repaired both throttles, ready to be mailed out to a customer. Oh, one more thing, Lars. Because I was cleaning the driver's side unit, the gasket came off because it was not silicone, so I just put some zip ties here just to keep gasket on the throttle body case, but you will cut zip ties when you install it. This throttle body here had gasket glued, and I did not unglue it. I just left it where it is. So because you will get them back, and if you have no gasket, you're gonna need to buy another gasket. These gaskets seem to be alright. Obviously, I recommend replacing them, but they can be reused if you would like to. They usually never leak, but do not over tighten the bolts, because you can strip the heads, and then that's going to be a big problem. Alright, so this is all, and this is basically final video before I might put them on the vehicle. If I have some time, I'll make another video when these are connected to the car, but we already made that video before and nothing really changed. The passenger side would shut down on the bench. It did not shut down on the car, so that was a hidden issue, but I found the problem and I fixed it. So that's about all with these throttles. Maybe I'll make another video if I'm making some other videos with other throttle bodies. I have these two, I have another set from another car, from a cell. Okay, so this is it. This is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.